People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless, hello and greetings all my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Now, today we have two topics to talk about. Jamaica may have to be order eggs for Christmas from abroad. Really? And also a constable who served the force for over 26 years has been asked to retire without any written warning. Now he's asking where is his pension. More after the break.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Greetings one and all, for you see the image of your device and your lion foot in the ears and eyes. And today I'm representing for osanin.com. Now if your body is not feeling right, go and check out www.osanin.com website. They've got the right cure for sure. If you've got arthritis, blood problem, liver, kidney problem, you're feeling tiredness, you got pain in the body, just link up www.osanin.com. If you got urinating problem, if you want to lose weight, you got thick phlegm on the throat, link up www.osanin.com. Now, if you got constant tiredness, you want to feel young again, you want to replenish your skin or cleanse the whole body functional system, link up www.osanin.com. Remember, your health is your wealth. Go and check them out. Or you can contact them at 07944-893-015 worldwide. Yeah, on WhatsApp, or you can call them straight. Don't leave it until it's too late. Osanin.com. All courtesy of Genesis Radio and Saxon Sound. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Now the story regarding the police who served for so many years, asked to step down without a dime. A 63-year-old Westmoreland man who served as a district constable for 26 years says he and some of his colleagues have been forced to retire without any written explanation or compensation, and is calling on the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, to address the matter. Now, Mr. Chang, you need to address this matter ASAP. See? Paul White, who was assigned to the Westmoreland Police Division of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, told the Jamaica Observer last Thursday that he was sent on retirement on April 30 without a dime. He said too that he received nothing in writing to indicate that he has been officially retired. The wicked act. He said in a stark contrast to a letter he received dated October the 31st, 2018, which stated that approval had been granted for district constables to retire at the age of 65, and that White was expected to retire on the ground age of his 65th birthday on March 11, 2022. See? So, you see now people, he was set to retire on his ground age of 2022, see? March. I remember 2020 now we're in it. And he was forced to retire. See? So the man is 63 and he's supposed to retire at 65, see? And him tell the man for retire age 23. Tell me if that's right or wrong. 63. That's why Jamaica system, police system cannot be better. And this is one of the reasons why the police them were going at the force to serve the country innocently, seen, ended up corrupted, ended up in corruption because the local wage where they get, the pay where they get is not enough to pay their bills and maintain their family. Plus if they have a car and all those debt and, you know what I mean, credit card and the local monkey money where they get no good. And the man they put them life on the line. They're putting their lives on the line, go out there and get bullet. See me? Soldiers and police. See? So the man I know John was star. I tell you, so them things kind of disturb the peace, disturb my anger. You know what I mean? Because the man, this is why Jamaica police system cannot be better, and the government them know what them do, The government them know what them do. You see? So you don't know. Them need for I tell you, so I never know if it talk. But just hope so the man I get some help and them get justice, because you can't ask somebody for retire. Early retirement mean you have to pay them off. Pay them off for all of the service where them work for. Also, them pension, make sure them pension is secure. You can't make the man retire at the age 63 before him time. He had 2 more years to go. See, and then force him with a written letter Zine, and nothing at all, not even a dime. What happened to the man family them? What happened to himself? He have to take care at the age of 65, 63. See, the man who is 65 yet. What happened to him? How am I going to take care of himself? How am I going to feed and fend himself? Yo, me I tell you star, yo. Yo, me Mr. Orius Chang. Mr. Orius Chang, if you see this video, I know you must see the writing article in the paper as well. You need to get to this gentleman here and support him ASAP. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this. Leave in the comments in the section. Get to me and say, yes. And the next topic now, me I say, Lord, like them I say, eggs. Jamaica must soon have to get eggs from abroad. Really? Eggs from abroad? So what happened to the farmer them in Jamaica? What happened to the farmers them in Jamaica? The farmers them have been affected by the corona pandemic, Zine? And some of them are struggling financially to start back their business. Not just the farmers them, but also shop owners and other business entities. You get to me I say? But this one now drew my attention in the Gleaner. And it's saying the disruptions in the COVID egg market triggered by COVID-19 have left many farmers on the brink of ruin, with others facing severe financial hardships. A situation which may result in Jamaica being forced to import eggs for Christmas for the first time since 2005. Really? That is a dire warning from President of Jamaica Egg Farmers Association, Roy Baker. No, my beautiful Jamaica, my beautiful country. My people, tell me what I want. Where the Prime Minister them are dealing, where the politicians them are dealing. They're supposed to see to it that the farming agriculture is up to date. It has been affected by COVID-19. They need to make sure that it's up to date and getting back on track to maintain the economy. Now them farmers, you know, some of them have got forced to retire. See, some of them are forced to try hard to stay up, stay in the business, to stay up so them can have a living for them family. And you tell me, say, Jamaica is on the brink of getting eggs from overseas for Christmas. We're in July now. You see me? We have about 5 more months left now. And so, yeah. Well, 11 years, you know, but them say 12. We know it's 11 months in the year. You see me? Yeah. But anyway, my people, tell me now, the farmers them need support. The shop owners them have them local business need support. Zine? How can we, Jamaica, have so much farming, farmers, eggs? You get what me I say? Enough local youth out there try to, you know. Enough local youth out there try to start them local raise them local fowl. Can sell them chicken and them egg. You see me? Big up my cousin Kevin who I do him local thing, you know, him local fowl farm. I feel proud that when him link me and say, yo, Ro, me have to give him a local start. And enough local youth me get a start. If you do the going at the egg business, we go raise fowl. You see me? It's better them go do that more than busting gun. Enough local youth try, better them do that more than firing guns, you know? But me I say, yo, what I tell you, Jamaica need big help, big support. And we can get the support from our own government, but some of them just think it hard for help. Some of them think it hard for assist. The rich will only get richer, the poor will only get poorer. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Would like you to tell me and leave in the comments in the section. Let me know what you think of this problem, you know? Jamaica may have to import eggs for Christmas. I hope not. I hope it don't work out that way. You get me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know, lion foot. Until next time, I don't know. Big up on yourself. Police officer, I hope you get some support. And also the farmers, them, they need support also. I hope them get the help and the support. You know what I mean? We can't have big, beautiful Jamaica, you know, with the sunshine and everything. How can we go import egg from foreign now? I want a fake egg them I make, you know. Me people, you know, be aware of the fake egg them. If you crack your egg come out too smooth and neat and spanking, and you see the yolk run this or the yolk now run this up. You see me? The white now run this or the white now run this. If you see the white just round and neat like that and the yolk just round and neat like that, try to say a fake egg that, so don't be careful. See, because all of fake things are coming to Jamaica too, you know. Yeah, all of fake products are coming in Jamaica and the people them are consuming it. Ital is vital. Big up Lush Estate. Fire look, big up yourself. You see me? Big up everybody, YGP One Camera, peace and love. My viewers and subscribers, please like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. If you haven't done so, please consider to do so to help the channel grow. But until next time, a Lion Foot. I'm out.
Put TV every time I don't know. Tune in, YouTube style.
Lion Foot. Up front.
Lion Foot TV.
Yeah, man.
Lion Foot TV, we say. Straight.
We're not the that was the Lion Foot TV, and that was the big mama straight. Let's just say tune in, you know. And if you're not tuning in, you're not saying, no, big up Lion Foot TV straight, and I'm Mr. Rastafari to the world.
Lion Foot TV. Them know it, Lord. Emperor Selassie, the Almighty Creator. Judgment in a row.